Easy breezy beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing another get ready with me, and if you want to follow along, let's go ahead and do this, and if you don't, just want to watch it, go ahead and do that. Thank you guys again so much. So with that being said, let's get started. So today Taylor Swift's new music video, I Can See You, Taylor's version of course, came out, and I was so excited because I saw Taylor Lautner. I'm like, ah. He finally got his moment with her trying to defend her. Spoiler, sorry. So I'm doing my eyebrows, but I'm doing them kind of light. I don't want to go fully defined with my eyebrows. And I'm using my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Don't forget to use the little like spoolie to put your hairs up and make it even more blendable. And also remember that little space to not do it as harsh as you would the rest of your eyebrow. And no, they are not supposed to be equally the same. They can be one darker than the other or one more defined than the other. Remember, they're cousins, they're sisters, not twins. Gonna put some lip balm. Always remember to put your lip balm. It helps you when you're applying your lipstick or your lip gloss. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope everything's been going good for you guys. If you're feeling down, I hope it changes and your mood gets up. I know we don't really have these conversations because I don't really do that stuff. Like, I don't even go live. I don't even have like a big following. I like to go live sometime, but I really don't think anybody's gonna watch apart from like one person. I don't have a large following. I don't have subscribers. I have subscribers, but I don't have that many subscribers. I don't know. Sometimes I just wonder how your day is going. If you guys want to suggest an eyeshadow palette or that I do a certain video, but I just can't ask of that because I do ask it at the end of my videos, but it's like, oh, really? There's like nobody who really sees my videos, and I'm not mad at that. I do the content because I really like doing videos. I do the videos for myself, and if somebody wants to learn from what I say or from what I do or my reviews, well, they will. But I'm going to be using the Cara Beauty for my eyeshadow. These shades are just beautiful. I'm going to do something different today. Okay, I'm going to go in with Astral. Right here. Now I'm going to go in with Flawless. I'd like to get enough followers so I can start doing giveaways, because I'd eventually like to do giveaways. Like makeup things that I find, like Dollar Tree products. Because I know that some people have been messaging me and saying, oh, I can never find anything in my Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree is broken. I find that funny, but don't get discouraged. My Dollar Trees didn't have any of the stuff that I now do reviews on. My Dollar Tree actually started getting them like 3 to 6 months after they started going viral. I don't even know if you guys like these little get ready with me talking with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. So all I'm doing right now is concealing my eyelids, and I'm going to do clay on the inside. I like using these chunky brushes because it saves me the time from doing the bottom because I can just blend it. But I'm going to go in with Jet Lag. I put tape on and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Hello Kitty and Friends blush. Bronzer. CoverGirl. Easy breezy beautiful. CoverGirl. I should be in a commercial. Okay guys, This is the final look. What do you guys think? Something simple, something easy. I wanted to do a little bit of rhinestone, so I did that at the back of the wing and in the front. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.